Hello, I'm Alicia, your virtual host for Abayomi Academy Week 2024. It's a great pleasure to welcome you to the first edition of this commemorative week, celebrating one more year of our academy. We're here to share knowledge, inspire, and create valuable connections, and we're thrilled to have you with us. Abayomi Academy is a member-based association, bringing together professionals from diverse fields and countries, all committed to creating smart and happy environments. If you're not yet a member, now is the perfect time to explore the benefits and opportunities of joining this global network that's shaping the future. During the Abayomi Academy Week, you'll experience a rich and varied program. We've prepared exclusive videos, interactive workshops, special classes, and networking sessions, all designed to provide a unique learning experience. Our speakers come from different cities, states, and countries, bringing diverse and enriching perspectives to our discussions. This event is a true celebration of multidisciplinary collaboration. From architects to educators, engineers to well-being professionals, everyone is here to contribute their expertise and help build a smarter and happier future. Make the most of this opportunity to connect with other participants, learn from experts, and apply these insights to your life and community. The Abayomi Academy Week is a celebration of innovation and collaboration. Together, we can turn challenges into opportunities and create a smarter, happier world. Don't miss any of the activities. If you haven't registered yet, do so now and don't miss out on any of the activities. Embark on a journey of learning and transformation with us. Thank you for being a part of Abayomi Academy Week 2024. Together, let's turn challenges into opportunities and create a smarter, happier world. Welcome to Abayomi Academy Week.